got vaccinated. Love drinking this. Unbelievably hot. Hey guys, my name is Sudeshna and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I decided to just vlog a little bit and give you guys a little update. And nowadays I just don't know what to film anymore because we are in such a serious situation and it just doesn't make sense to make fashion videos. I just thought that for this week's video I can just vlog a little bit and just show you guys all the things that I've been doing from home. So yeah, as you can see right now, my hair looks a little frizzy and crazy. This is what happens the day when I wash my hair. I just wanted to straighten my hair a little bit. I've just really been loving straightening my hair because Chennai has just become so humid because of these random rainfall and everything. And I'm using a heat protectant spray. This is the Live On Heat Protect Serum. So the main agenda of me just coming in front of the camera and straightening my hair for no reason is because I just wanted to come here and chat with you guys and give you guys a little update. So the biggest highlight of this week definitely has been that I finally got vaccinated. I've just been trying to get an appointment on the COVID side, but I just didn't have any luck at all. But miraculously this week, just near to my house, in the next street, they were actually having a free vaccine campaign for 18+. How lucky am I? So yeah, I mean, I didn't have to book an appointment or anything like that. It was more like a first come, first serve sort of thing. So I was there first in line. I was the first person to get vaccinated in that camp. This happened yesterday, which was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday when I'm filming this video. So it's been 24 hours since I've gotten vaccinated. I got the Covishield vaccine. I mean, that was the only vaccine that was available. I honestly had no personal preference. The second dose is going to be after 3 months, which I know is a really long wait. I have to wait till August to get my second dose. Now coming to the side effects, honestly, I didn't really have any a lot of side effects per se. I know a lot of people who got Covishield got fever and all that. The only thing I had is a lot of pain in my arm. I still have a lot of pain in my arm, on my left arm where they actually put the vaccine, especially around my elbows, especially around the joints. Yesterday around evening time, I was feeling a little bit nauseous. I just felt like I wanted to throw up, but I didn't. And another thing was that I was really sleepy the entire day. I'm generally not the kind of person who sleeps during the day at all. Once I'm awake, I'm going to stay awake till my night time. And the last and final thing I noticed was that I had a really big increase in appetite. I don't know if this is a common thing. If you guys have taken Covishield and if you've had this thing, let me know whether this has happened to you. But my hands would start shaking as if I haven't eaten anything, but that wasn't true at all. I had eaten my regular meals. Okay, I think we're almost done straightening the hair. As you guys can see, the straightening is not perfect and I just like to keep it that way because I don't want it to be extremely perfect. This is good enough for me. If you haven't been vaccinated or you just haven't had the luck with the COVID website, then maybe just look out in your area, look at Instagram. I'm sure you'll find a lot of updates regarding all these vaccination camps. They actually just started yesterday from the 25th of May. So you should be seeing those a lot more. And now we're going to move on with our day. So now that I've straightened my hair, I'm going to be doing a little bit of filming. So I think I'm going to shoot a couple of reel videos, maybe 1 or 2 videos for Trell, and yeah, just call it a day. I mean, today is just day 2 of the vaccine, so I'm still going to take it very easy. So as you can tell from the background, welcome to my little home studio setup. I actually got this setup when I was preparing for my clothing brand because I wanted to shoot it in a studio background setup. So I just turned on my ring light. Yeah, that is so much brighter. I have a little snack with me. I love these Cadbury Choco Bakes. It tastes so good. It's 6 PM right now and outside... Jeez. I got so scared. studio room, which is just a spare room in my house, which I've just converted into a studio for shooting because obviously I haven't been able to shoot since last year. So anyway, this is what my hair looks like on day 2 of straightening. So as you guys remember, yesterday I straightened my hair and I showed you guys it looked very straight. But today, as you can see, it's a little more natural looking, and this is what I love. I have a full face of makeup on, and that's because I'm going to be shooting. But before that, we need to have some snack or drink something because it's just so unbelievably hot in Chennai. As usual, like why am I even surprised? So this is what I'm drinking. I love drinking this. This is like my new addiction. I swear to God, I can literally finish this in like one big sip. So this is the Hershey's milkshake cookies and cream flavor, and I love it. It does say that it has fortified calcium and vitamins, which if it really does, then that's great. If you're a huge fan of Friends like I am, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. I mean, that is like one of those shows that you almost watch every single day. Like I definitely watch at least one episode of Friends every single day by default. I'm so glad that they didn't come out with new episodes because it probably wouldn't have lived up to the expectation of the show that was made 25 years back, right? So I'm just so glad they just did like a simple reunion where they just came and sat and talked about the show. But anyway, today I'm actually going to be shooting reels, but for my brand page. So I'm going to be shooting using the back camera for better quality. I don't know, for some reason I just don't want to shoot it on my camera. I just want to directly shoot it here so that I can just edit quickly and upload, because nowadays I don't really find a lot of time. So it'll just be easier for me if I just already have it on the phone, because if I shoot it on my camera, then I have to like take it out, put it in my laptop, edit it there, then send that to my phone and upload. It's just too much work. So hopefully I can do that successfully. I generally don't shoot directly on the phone. Let's go and do that. Guys, I am sweating and this is the second outfit. It's so hot, but yeah, I think before the sun goes down completely, I think we'll be able to finish this shoot. So yeah, I'm gonna change into my third outfit. Let me show you guys. Okay, this is top number 3. By the way, these are all from my own clothing line. I feel like I've already said that so many times, but yeah, link will be down in the description box below. So this is number 3. I still have like some work left to do. As usual, my bed is like super messy, so I'm gonna go and fix that as well. But I actually have to pack an order. I won't be able to ship it this week because we are in an intense lockdown. That means I can't even like step out. If I step out, police will probably put me in jail or something like that. And yeah, I'm so tired, like I can't even make sense. Call it a night here. I just packed a couple of orders, which hopefully I'll be able to ship it out next week. So anyway, that's done. I am just ready to go to sleep. So anyway, I really hope you guys found this vlog kind of fun. I hope you guys have an awesome weekend. Please give this video a huge thumbs up if you guys liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already, and hit that bell notification so that you guys are notified every single time I upload a new video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.